Hello, today we will guide you through how to download report from KoboToolbox. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your web browser and make sure you are on the main projects page. This is where all of your available forms or projects are listed. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. That helps avoid downloading the wrong report. Once you're on the home area, click on Sample Project. Opening the project takes you into its workspace, where you can view form details, submissions, and reporting options. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since layouts can vary a bit depending on account settings or screen size. The key thing is to enter the project you want to work with. After the project opens, look toward the top of the page and click on Data. This section is where KoboToolbox stores and organizes the information collected through the form. In other words, if you want to review entries, summaries, or downloadable reporting views, this is the right place to be. From the Data section, click on Reports. The Reports area gives you a formatted view of your collected data, making it easier to review and prepare for sharing or printing. This view is especially useful if you want a cleaner, presentation-friendly version of the information instead of a raw data table. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click on the Print option. This opens your browser's print settings, which is commonly how KoboToolbox allows you to turn the report into a downloadable file. If a print window does not appear immediately, give it a moment, since some browsers may take a few seconds to load the preview. In the Print Settings window, choose the option to save as PDF. This is the step that changes the report from something printable into a file you can download and keep. Saving as a PDF is helpful because it preserves the formatting and makes the report easy to share by email, upload to a system, or store for your records. Finally, click on Save. Your browser will usually ask where you want to store the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find later, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated project folder, and confirm the save. Once that's done, your KoboToolbox report will be downloaded as a PDF and ready to use. That's all it takes to download a report from KoboToolbox.